Saan tayo?
Oh my god, where am I?
Diba?
We have no flashlights. This is new.
Oh, yun! Hmm.
I need to pick up my stuff.
You've been instructed to try this.
Need to pick up my stuff.
Meron.
Ako wala akong
Where are
sound.
you? Everything's
Yan. Kasi naglalaro ako ng
Lagi walang
grow shit. Where'd you guys go? Oh, hello. Did you guys get the key card?
Yep.
Oh,
Hi. You want flashlight, Rain?
awkward.
I'm good.
Okay.
Kaya ako.
No, not for you. Not for you.
Ganun ka pala. Eh?
Joke lang.
Sino ka ba?
Isa pa lang yung flashlight ko eh.
Ganun na.
It's the wind up.
Wait lang, ngayon ko lang ito nakita. Kasi last week before ng ano,
Update?
before ng update. Oo, iba to eh.
Hindi ko pa din get.
I played this alone.
Pinapa-
I
Ano
don't know
nila-
what this is.
Oh, there it is.
Something's wrong. Like this.
100 agad?
Wala bang run?
What?
Wala bang takbo?
Wait, what? Wait,
Oh, we count down.
really? Wait, nasaan yung key card?
Yep. On me.
13 nakalagay sa akin.
100 din nakalagay sa akin. What?
Wait, di takbo ba?
99.
Di run ba
It
yun?
goes down.
Oh, okay, it goes down.
Oh, locker.
Good.
Wait, di run ba tayo? Hindi ko
No.
tandaan.
There's no run.
Is it flickering? It's just loading.
Loading. No flick.
Loading.
Okay.
Can't open. There we go.
Money.
Money.
Ah, okay.
Is there like the underground thing? Oh no, I mean the tunnel venting? No, no venting.
Wait lang. Damn the quality of the rats.
Quality of these nuts.
Dahan-dahan kumuha. Mamaya may makuha kayong remote. I mean, get the
Remote?
Yeah, remote's good.
Yeah, hey, we're back here.
There's light.
Ano yun?
What's that?
It's just a background.
Don't worry about it.
Water.
Flicker.
There we go.
Pinakalmalayo ako. Ay, wala pa pala.
Una ako.
Wanna hear you scream.
Damn, ang dilim.
Hello, where's Raina?
Oh, there you are.
Raina, you did.
I don't know.
I didn't see any colors.
It's a blue. We're good.
Where are you? Hey, where are you? Is Ray dead?
No.
Oh no, I'm dead. What do you expect? I'm dead already. That's how low you think of me.
No. Oh, there you are. Sorry, hindi kita makita eh. Sorry naman.
Hey, when I die, I revive.
Okay, how many revives do you
Oh.
have?
Depends.
I have
How many times do I wanna die?
Paano nakabili ng revive?
two. Sa ano, lobby.
Damn. Saan doon?
Dun sa left side.
Ba't pala bumili ako kanina?
Do you have money? I think
Probably.
it's gonna be the green. No. Okay, what is that?
Queen?
Huh?
Money. Oh, okay. Whew.
That was a remote.
No.
Huh?
Nothing.
Mr. Friend, how are you?
Yeah, pag may nakuha kang remote, kunin mo. It's important.
Yay! Sige. Roll. Imaginary friend!
We need a key. Card.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, we have two.
Can you do the thing again? Oh, we need a keycard so we can listen.
Wala akong narinig sa parts ko. Wait lang at tatasan ko na yung volume.
Ang ingay ng tubig.
Volume.
This is safe. I think.
Wait lang. Hindi ko pa narinig.
Atong gitna hindi safe.
Isa sa akin, wala ko na... Narinig ko na bell.
Or.
Risk it? Are you risking it?
Get out of here.
What?
Ano yun? Dayuhan niya. You're running away from it? Shouting.
Wow.
Okay, we're safe.
Ano yun?
Ooh, land.
Uy, lantern.
Who wants? Who wants?
Ako na. Kung may nakita kayong first aid, play ako.
Ilan health mo?
50. 50 kinuha sa akin.
Yikes. Hate to see it.
Bro stood still in the face of danger.
Ito.
Oh, flashbang. Rain.
Flashbang!
That's from where? Oh! Oh no, we're back at it again.
Oh, what did you say?
Ah!
Stop wasting it.
Forget about it.
Pati kinalo mo yung Discord sa akin.
Alam mo?
Multiple ba?
Oh, don't worry about it.
Dito.
I'm opening.
Hey, may Genshin updated ba?
Hoy, hoy,
Oh.
hoy, hoy!
Is there a nearby?
I'm gonna die.
Dito,
Okay,
dito,
I'm
dito.
gonna try to
May bago
find
na
one. Probably.
Tabi ko, tabi ko, tabi ko.
Did you die, Rain?
Nah, good.
Oh, okay.
Saw color?
No.
Brimant hata yun nagdaan.
Ay, is that a
Bawat
gun?
open.
Ay, no, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Napingin po akong pare.
Bes? Ano yun?
Kaso mag-ano.
Can you flash it?
May nakuha akong ano. Revolver and I was trying to shoot myself.
You what? I tried to shoot it. Didn't work.
No, myself.
Yourself?
Yeah, I was trying to resist.
What the heck?
Yeah, that was weird. Oh, ito pala eh.
Ano sa'yo? Iniiwan niyo ako. There you are.
Why right? Is it? Oh,
Give. Aww.
too late. Where do we go?
Where you go, I go. Probably need a key card.
Damn it.
I don't think we do. Kulay green.
You don't?
We don't.
Okay.
Grab
Loot the place. Loot the area.
Yeah, but I don't wanna grab too fast. No, I'm gonna kill myself.
Come on.
Hindi ko ganda pa.
You wanna grab
Okay.
this this locker?
No, I am no. Kailangan niya ng
Bakit?
hug.
Oh, that.
You want hugs?
Forgot about that blocker.
Wala dito.
Flint locker.
Parang
Here.
tawa na.
There's a friend.
No. Onwards. Hello. My name is Les. I've come.
Come.
Oh, hello.
Oh, damn. Right.
Lucky.
That's what she said.
That is what she said. Oh, what is
Oh,
name?
damn.
Hindi ako naka-earphones guys.
May locker dito.
Oh. Ano mga bawal sabihin? Hello po.
My
May
name
locker
is
din
Les.
dito.
Pinaka-pogi sa group, friend group. Joke lang.
Meron ba daw dalawang kulang si Cheska?
Dalawang kulang.
Ah,
Sorry. No, patanggap pa pa ako. Pam?
lang.
Pag-delete.
Ah, wala na dito.
Okay.
Legit tayo.
Let's
Ah,
go.
lakas. Ah, hindi.
We're doing so much progress. Oh my god.
Wow.
Dice.
Oh my god.
Did you just jinx us?
Yes.
Yikes.
Give
Hate to
me-
see it.
Give me remote.
Doors.
Remote, please.
Does it still have the level 50 level 50 puzzle? Like where we need to do 8 stuff? 8 generators?
I don't know. Ang tagal ko nandito nilalaro. Kakalaro si Steph yung naglalaro nito. I don't know. Saan
Hey,
kayo
wala-
umabot?
Di ako nakaabot.
What
Ah,
the
fuck,
heck, man?
hell.
One time code?
Saan kayo umabot?
Ano, isang beses lang, mga 5, kasi namatay agad si Potato.
Tapos hindi siya makatulog. Damn, that's crazy. Oh well.
Isang beses lang namin
We need to
ginawa kasi
hide. We need
natakot
to
sa
hide. We need
potato.
to hide, please. Dude,
Ha?
guys,
Ha?
hide,
What?
hide,
Ha?
hide. I'm not kidding, hide.
Ay.
Hopefully we're safe.
Ooh, Jane
Purple,
though.
what does purple mean?
It's going back.
Okay, hide.
Oh, eh.
Yeah.
Yep.
Di ba kulay pink? Mukhang pink yun.
Yeah, it's purple pink. Dito ka.
Kalapay.
Pinky, it's pink.
I wanna be
Are we
here.
good?
I'm good, we're good here. Wanna be here?
Sure.
Guys, the next
Ah,
person.
motherfucker. Anin to?
Hindi
What
tayo
is this?
kasya. Hindi tayo.
What is this, by the way?
Oh. Hindi ko alam.
The neuralizer.
No.
It
it's a syringe.
it removes your ability.
It's a syringe. Ang tagal naman.
It removes your ability to get children.
Oh my god, is that true? Gagamitin ko.
What? Baog ka na naman eh.
Tagal.
Lang ano, yung
Tagal ah.
Yeah, but
maya ka na Kent Lloyd ba yan?
or wala na. I think it's gone.
I think we're good.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Boom! Ay.
Yeah, there's safe.
Yan yung ano. Ay, pwede ko ba makita ito? Ilan yan? 2, 4,
Nothing. Yeah, I think purple lang
Oh,
kasi mainit.
pipes.
Hindi siya makaya.
baka yung bata pa.
It's
Hey,
hot.
kakabago ko lang yung last time eh.
Oh, you need a key.
Key?
Oh, disarm. No, no, no. Wag papasok. Wag papasok. There's a grenade.
Ano mo?
Bakit?
There's a grenade on the door. There's
Oh.
Yep.
Okay.
Oop.
Don't be stupid.
Don't be stupid.
Hintayin ko na lang kayo. Kasi mamamatay na ako.
Where do you disarm it? Ayun.
Don't know.
Okay na? Oh!
Yikes. It's fine. He's safe.
Yeah, I'm good. Shut up. Let's go.
Okay na?
Yippee.
Okay na? You...
I'm also low, by the way.
Oh, ba't yan?
Yikes. Think I'm the next one online.
Okay. Okay, ano, dyan sa left. Left side. Uyo. 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 Okay. Ay,
Oh,
Holy shit.
upper.
pinakamalayo ako.
Okay.
It's there.
No color.
I almost didn't made it. Hello guys.
Puti tatlo! Fuck, kung di ko to nakita, nilikod na talaga ako dapat sa dulong locker ako.
Hindi, dito sa ano.
May dalawa dun sa
Di ko
room. And then this is the far one. Kaya pa naman. It's okay, it's okay.
Saan na kayo? Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Dito sa baba.
What? Where?
We need to go up again?
No, I don't like
What?
water.
Saan kayo?
Nandito siya rin.
Oh, there you.
Ano yun?
There's nothing there. Is there?
Saan tayo?
Dito yung bago.
Yeah, there's nothing. Oh. Yeah, there's nothing here. It's just like.
I'm fine.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Don't worry about it.
What was that?
Don't worry about it.
What the heck was that?
Likod ko. Pwede ako tumingin.
It's in company. Where are you?
Here.
Oh, there you are.
Your room. May tumakbo na ano.
Yeah, I heard.
Keycard needy.
Ipan.
Scared?
Found it.
Ah.
Buti wala pa ditong mimic. Like, nagme-mimic na pa kampi.
Anong mimic? Anong mimic?
Like,
What can I flash? Oh, flashbang. Number 2.
Where? Oh,
another
no!
lamp. Another lamp.
Another what?
You want me to
Lamp.
carry the other one?
I carry it.
Hindi, yung isa. You can carry two.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You
Oh,
can
may
get
something
that
dito
quickly.
sa... May
Well,
something
can you
sa
flash?
locker.
Yung kulay green. Oh, what is that? I don't like, yan na naman siya.
Ah!
Run.
Yes!
And he got
Yikes.
stabbed. Are you dead?
I'm fine. Resist the urge. I got resist the urge.
Oh, may kinuha ka.
Yeah, I was getting stabbed and resisting the urge to stab.
May something sa locker na to na kulay.
Na-double ano ako dun ah.
It's kulay red. What the heck?
Yun nga, diba? Inaano ko eh.
Oh, may try. No. Baka insta-kill yan, kaya
Wow.
And... I knew it!
Ah! Motherfucker!
Don't!
Alam mo?
Mas sasakit siya, man!
Alam
If you
mo.
wanna try, that would be so funny. Wait lang, wait.
Funny.
Sinong walang lamp? May lamp na ako eh. I mean lantern.
Ako?
Silamp ako.
Get a lantern.
Where?
Where?
Here. Balik ka dito. It's over here. Come back, Ryan.
Keep.
Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh, lantern.
You know,
Hey, you know what?
no.
May isa sa mata, may isa sa tenga.
Dang it. Hey, we can hide here.
Yeah, we can probably hide here, yeah.
Yeah.
We're fine.
I
I'm
think,
not.
guess na, huwag ka muna pumasok hanggang hindi mo pa siya naririnig. Kasi
Okay.
magpaparanoid ka dyan sa locker.
Ito nga pala.
You know,
I
paranoia.
got a powder.
Nobody likes
Oh my god, paranoia. Let's go silent.
Paranoia?
May nakuha akong battery.
I see.
Charge mo sarili mo.
Oh, 71. Hello.
If we were
Oh my god,
if we were
71.
in a horror film, who would be the comic relief?
I will try to be funny. I will try.
I think he would be the comic relief.
Like, imagine he's in this door.
Holy
Go
shit.
down.
Now?
Dun siya sa taas, nasa taas siya. Dumaan.
Taas siya?
Yeah,
The
what the
heck?
heck?
That's why I didn't see it.
It's coming
Bilis
back.
naman yun.
Things back.
Ano? Di pa.
It went from
Ano yun?
behind.
Ano yun?
That was
Ano yun?
cool, what the hell? Oh, may tinignan siya.
Oh, may nakita ko.
Yeah,
Hindi ako nakatingin sa screen.
Can you open the lights when that guy is in there or not?
What do you mean in there?
Kapag ano
Oh,
yung
ay-
the many eye guy. Do you have to turn off your lights?
Yes.
Okay.
God damn it, kaya
Pwede mo
pala.
sila pwede
Ano
mo sila
to?
i-flash.
Di seryoso, ano kaya to?
Pwede mo sila
Pag ito-
stun?
Flash.
Wait, guys,
Ah.
try ko nga. Gusto nyo i-testing ko ano to? Kasi I really need healing.
Okay, go ahead.
Sure.
Stab yourself. What happened?
I don't know.
Did you get more health?
Bumawas yung health ko.
Lamo.
Oh. Because you stab yourself in it. Don't worry, you might be like a superhuman.
I'm faster, right?
Oh. You can you can panic faster.
Yay! Does it help though?
Okay, doon tayo sa kabila.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Trust the guy with the...
Oh shit!
What? Saan tayo? Meron din doon sa kabila eh.
Really?
Yes.
Is there a
Oh!
board?
I'm stupid. Let's go.
Lama. Ano yun?
Already?
I need help.
Ako rin, I need help. I desperately need help.
Oh, okay.
I think everyone need help.
I need help. No,
Pressure.
Oh, may bago.
Ano? Di ko marinig, ano?
Glider training.
Si Les, siya si Rick.
You have been chosen to be a part of a select
It's a
few with
glider.
permission
Ano?
to use the glider
What
tubes
do you
for
look
the
like?
purpose of
Ano?
maintenance and
Ooh.
transportation.
Sorry ka.
How do
I
you-
will now be giving you a quick reminder about the safety checklist, which
Explore,
must be
explore lang.
followed at all times.
Uy, may Tesla?
Do not turn
Tesla
on the
ay.
glider whilst outside of water. Do not drop the glider. Do not let go of the handlebar whilst in operation.
Okay.
Do not ram the glider into walls or other stationary objects.
Ay,
Oh.
naku. May yung
Use
sa
the
Bea!
glider to purposefully commit roadkill.
Hello?
Use the glider on joyride.
Kayo na ba?
Ayan.
Nagaling na sa...
Do not take
Ano nilalaro nyo?
organization time
Talaga ano eh?
Pumapansin sa'yo, kawawa
Wait.
ka
Should
naman.
any of these safety
Wait na lang.
procedures be
Ang lakas mo. Hindi kang lumakas na
broken,
yung
or result in either
Ano nilalaro nyo?
contractual termination or
Roblox.
execution.
Pressure.
What the heck, ang bilis ko.
Just for a reminder, as a designated glider
Ay.
station operator,
Huwag kang gumalaw, ang likot mo naman.
You can look
Asan
back.
kayo?
Behind you, bro.
Wow. Bibigyan kita karot.
There you.
Ay, wala kang
Mulit na...
Wala kang there.
Oh,
Ha?
oh, dumbass. Dumbass over here.
Sorry, saan ba?
Here.
Where? Oh, there. Okay.
I can see
Bro.
the stars.
Where were you when everything was happening?
Oh, yeah, may...
Wag.
Sinabihan na tayo ng...
Parang pera.
Meron lang ang entire tutorial eh.
Where are we going? I'm going too fast. Go here.
Where are you?
Napagyan ng...
Oh, there.
Stop, E. Okay. Alright,
You?
I can do this. I can do this. Whee!
Yep.
Pagbili ng...
Masyadong mabilis. Okay. There's a door. There's a door.
Kaya takot ako. Uy, nag-glider.
Nasaan na siya?
Bigyan ka nga, sabi ko.
Sa likod.
30 seconds.
Oh. Yup, 20 seconds.
What? What?
19, 18.
Ay, sa kapila.
Hey,
Hey, you made it. Open it.
Yeah.
Wag lang something. Tingnan ko.
Ayun, bibili ka ng ticket.
Can do this. Coming.
Oh,
Whoa, what the-
oh!
I'm dead.
Holy shit!
No.
I'm glad to
Munti
see
ka na
that
mamatay. Oh,
Urban
this is Emon
Shade
3.
is only sending their
No.
best and brightest.
Let's get out of
Guys, you need to make it true para ma-revive ako.
Of all the things,
Okay, hold on.
Emon.
I was like, oh, a fan.
Hold on, ano?
Oh, it's moving. I'm dead.
Wait. Hold on. There's a guy that passes through here.
Ah, okay.
That's crazy.
Red means good, red means bad.
I don't know.
Because the guy passed through here and to us. So like, I'm taking the right. I'm going right.
Yes.
No idea, man.
Iba na nalaroin na.
It's pure darkness in the...
Kahit wala ako.
Bigyan ni Shaita eh.
Ay, di nga.
Oh! Cutscene!
Tapos na tayo. Hindi kami.
Almost got.
Holy shit! Oh, get
Holy
na.
shit.
Okay.
Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, don't ram into walls.
Yup, bad idea to ram into walls.
And you're dead. Nasa gitna ka dumaan. Nakita ko yun. Ay, nakuha siya. Oh, damn.
Womp.
back into the fire.
Wait,
you go.
don't leave.
Sige. Trillion yan ah.
Guys,
I can't even see.
Di ako kapatiwa ko. Kapit na ako. Dumagat.
wait.
Ah,
Where
sana all.
am I?
Where are you? Where are you?
I don't know.
Chat mo muna. Wala tayo. Kaya, ano niya? Ikaw! Ayun o. Bakit ang tingin?
I think you're dead.
Am I? I think I am.
Dudali. Nak ka talaga. Hindi ka nakakaintindi.
So, babalik ako sa lobby. Bibili ako ng ano. Ah, what the fuck?
Why did you come? Patapusin ka na. Sayang yung revive ko.
Come on.
Ay, nagla. Walang nangyayari. Sorry.
Can go back. I can...
I see less in the dark.
Just cover.
Oh, I'm alive.
Cover.
Where am I?
Tawag sa... Ano?
Oh,
Discover.
right now. He's
Nag-revive ka?
at level 66. Yeah.
Yeah,
Ah, okay.
wala na si ano.
Wait, saan yung shop dito? Di ko mahanap.
Left side your screen.
Left side. Ah, screen, bobo. Okay.
Okay, speedrun I guess.
Mait
Where
na.
do I go? Okay,
Kaya lang rin ikaw. Naka. Hindi.
speedrun. I've done this before.
Station 3.
I play these games.
What?
Yung cutscene, yung ano, yung music ng cutscene nasa tenga ko pa rin.
Oh, it's not just you. I thought because I died at that time, it's still playing.
Yeah, I think I need to get moving.
Yung Ferryman ba? Yeah, it's fair. How much money do I have? How much money do I have?
Where am I?
Perman just needs 1 gold coin. I can join less, but I don't wanna. He's fine.
Yeah. Am I going the right way?
Yeah, you're
Oh,
good.
I don't know how much money I have.
The hell?
Look at the eyes.
I wanna.
Oh,
But I wanna.
Oh, wait, then go. I don't know. What do you want?
Guys.
yung bottom ba? Ano magbigay ng only for 60 pesos?
Yikes.
Tabag na ako.
Where am I going? What?
Don't look. Don't stare. Don't stare. Don't look.
Yeah, but
Uh,
there's nothing. There's
Pambe,
nothing.
wait
Jump.
lang.
Up. Go back. Up. Go hide. It didn't flicker.
Flicker.
Pizza.
Let me see. Let me look around.
This is crazy. I don't know where to go.
Oh, there you go.
Ah, it breaks it, so you can go past.
And I'm still. That's crazy.
It's a new mechanic.
Nasa lobby ako.
Advance.
200 yung gold coin. What?
Sila na.
No.
I did not know that.
No, Jane! Jane, no!
Eh, naayos na sila.
Whoa.
Ah, nga pala, ano, manonood na kami ng Act 2. Ang halos
So,
doon.
be, bigyan neto, be.
Yun na, gabi nga.
Ano po yun? Strawberry.
Uy, Bea, ba't di ako pwede mag-send ng photo?
Tapos na yung ano, free lang kasi yan. Oh my gosh!
Parang gusto ko pumunta dyan.
Oh, okay.
Like free feature.
Ito siya dito.
Where
Okay, dala ka ulam.
Eh, may crab dyan, oh.
Daling kasi free rin.
Crab.
Ano? Tama. Eggs. Yun. Ako ay...
By the way, there's a guy, tall guy, just ahead of you. Don't open lights.
Okay, I
Ginatan,
don't
tas,
have light.
ano, titinuro yun.
Oh, okay.
Ha?
It's still so
Hindi
bright.
ko pa ito kinakain, ano ba?
Oh, there's a guy at the top.
Ano?
Siya daw kay Wisid.
Oh, library.
So,
Kids! Ayun!
Where do we go? What do we do?
Isa lang.
Gusto ko to. Pipili ako.
Oh, I was right.
Hey,
wala man walang talent eh. Yun lang.
another
Gusto
one.
ko
What's that?
Ano tong Winstruck?
Oh, that.
That.
Na lang sa'yo.
Oh, ito sa'yo.
Don't worry about it.
Para ito sa'yo. Oh,
Which means you go?
Probably the probably the red guy.
No, the
Did it?
guy doesn't move.
Wala.
Oh.
Wala
You
dito.
sure?
Wala dito.
Rain, pwede mo ba ma-share screen?
They don't move.
Do I wanna? No, keep guessing.
No! Please!
Pero yung
Yung... Wow! So much! Diba? Someone...
uy, binigyan ka niya ng
I'm not stopping for loot.
Decline.
Loot.
Doesn't open.
That a flute?
You can hear the big guy.
Wow!
Yung may generators.
Yikes. Need to see it.
Where did it go?
Ano? Ano? Tingnan mo, hindi ko ma-scroll. Pinag-leak
Someone's
ko.
walking.
Yeah.
Oh, I see you.
Oh,
Lagi yun.
Nag-struggle.
Pag
No?
ganun yung palagi. Lagi akong kinakalibutan. Ate, kanda.
um,
Oh, no,
oh,
we're safe.
locker. We're safe. Yeah, you're
Come
good.
at me.
Oh.
Where are you?
Ba't wala pa rin ako? Baka wala pa sa atin. Talaga,
Where?
maglakad talaga din. Pagalitan ako. Hirap ko sa Facebook na rin.
A tall squid guy in front.
Yep.
Yeah, may papagay.
Where
Asan
do I
yung
go
ano?
now?
Where you go, I go. Where you go, I
Ito.
go.
Oh, ito na lang.
I know we'll never go.
Bakit do we think we can do this?
Wherever we'll go.
Huwag ka nag-echo.
Can only go there.
Sorry. Oh my God.
Wow. Ito na ano.
Sino pumasok?
One more.
What the heck? Wag na. Ayun. Uy! Talaga.
Oh.
Ha? Bakit?
My gosh.
There's a pen.
Ang ano. Gusto ko ng pen. Pwede ako bumili ng pen? Yeah.
Speedrun. Speedrun.
Lies.
Sebastian, I wanna die by your arms.
Welcome back, friend.
Huh?
Free dito.
Defibrillator? More
Ang
revive?
gagaling naman yung...
Eastern.
Les, tapos na Pride Month. Tago mo na ulit yan.
Ilan yung pet eggs in 1 minute?
There's no need to do
Oh
it.
shit, keycard of course.
Oh,
Stupid.
You forgot something.
ano?
Forget something.
Watering can.
How'd you know?
Goodbye.
Ano yung trowel?
Pang-move.
Maliligo ka ba dito?
I-move mo yung...
Wrinkle wrench. Ano yung may wrinkle?
Ayun
no.
yung...
Di mo alam matulog na dyan si Jessica.
Dami kong crate.
Wag. Moves plant.
Ah,
May watering can na ako.
how do you... Ay, dito pa rin.
Yun
Oh.
na.
Wait,
Nagawa mo na sa likod ng
that's kind of
tangke.
broken. I can predict when the light's flickering.
Wait, what?
Do you know why?
Wait, what?
Whenever it says it is currently not safe to revive, the light flickers, meaning that I can't revive because it's gonna do a light flickering thing. So
Oh my
I can
God,
I can
Angel.
predict when. I could tell you like 2 seconds earlier.
Guardian Angel ni Les.
My god, man. Open up this.
Pag-inisip ka mag-ano.
Sayang walang sprint. This would be so much fun.
You can get the injection.
Bro, paano kita bibigyan ng
The heck ko dun?
feedback?
Oh,
Ano
yeah,
yun?
ako.
May feedback.
Sa baba.
Yikes.
Ano mag-trade?
Akan na. Big gift mo sa trade tayo.
Am I dying?
Strawberry. Yata.
No, it's still safe to revive, so you're good.
Sabihin ko, pwede na mag-join ah.
Join
Oh my
tama
God,
ba?
itlog
Oh.
na. Nabasag ang itlog.
Pwede nagigit yung tea.
Tomo, we.
Alright, GG.
Never thought sucking and dying
Bakit?
would work.
Wait, ano nangyari?
Weird.
Landmine.
Oh!
Why is it? Why is it?
Eh.
I wonder.
What was that?
how
Tararat.
that got there. It was me. I put that there.
I thought it was cooler. It was not play again. Return.
Wait, sa labi na siya.
The door
Ako
was
sa
blue.
labi.
Labi na.
You need the
Labi na ako.
You need a keycard for that. But it opened by itself. Oh, I wonder why. It's
Hmm.
fucking dead.
Trim ko ba ito? Trim.
Hello, guys. Mag-draw guys.
Hello. Who's joining?
Wala,
Who wanna play? Wanna play?
Wait lang.
Goodbye.
Wait lang. Nag-ano ko ng itlog. Pinipil ko tong itlog.
Egg? What? You're feeling eggs?
Ang team.
Hi, I'm back.
Yes.
Oh, ang bilis naman.
Hello, Buck.
Paano mag-trade sa draw?
Ano naman sa Broa Garden.
Yeah, you can
Yes.
trade, you can only scam. Kung maniniwala ka, ipagtatrade. Yeah. Hindi na ako maniniwala kay Sakamoto. Kinuha Queen Bee ko.
Nandito. Ano
Wait.
yung feedback?
Aww. Dapat sa akin mo lang binigay.
Kaya ang binigay ko na lang.
I gave you.
Okay lang, nakakuha naman akong Disco Bee.
Eh,
Nakuha.
Wow!
may octopus ka na ba nakuha?
Nope.
Diba yan?
Bea, sali ka, Bea.
Rain, look at my Jane Doe, Rain.
Wait.
New oh my god.
Rain.
Sid, saan kayo?
What?
How do you trade?
Jane Joe? Hello, Jane Joe.
Look at my hat.
Para sa flower. Para sa...
Kita mo
May
hat.
free run ba niyan?
Hindi ko.
You're wet. I know, I don't have sickness.
I can check.
But orange kayo, pwede magpalit ng color.
Sa left side.
Wala na.
Dun sa may parang shop. Tapos clothes.
Yung natin.
I think may dun.
Ito.
Pick ng shop. Oh my God!
Yeah, money?
This song's so lit. Congratulations. Now be like, gang. Gang, 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 gang. Nice.
Kunan tayo ng isa.
Wait lang. Tapos na ako mag-ano ng itlog.
No, why are you using all your...
Sinong sasagot?
Di ba dapat?
What kind of... what kind of plants is that? Can you trade that?
Malakas, oh.
Trade seed, bro.
Narinig nyo ba ako, guys, sa Roblox? Hindi pwede mag-trade ng seed.
Yeah, narinig.
Pwede
This
ako
guy.
mag-gift. Pero Robux na yun.
Hello! Hello? Wow.
Ano yun?
Ayaw gumana ng mic ko. Rain, do you hear me?
Ba't ito kayo?
I'm gonna say the...
Don't do it!
Halika dito,
Don't do it! Don't. Actually, don't do it. You're gonna get mad, babe. You hear this? May voice recognition sila ng mga slurs.
Ay?
Niger.
Nigeria. Okay na.
Sa akin.
Puro buhok lang. Oh,
Ako na sa lobby.
meron free rent plus show.
Tinan mo, good.
Ay, kasali mo si Cheska?
Nasa shoulder nga. Yes, nandito siya.
Damn.
Si Bea din.
Yan si Ben.
Ano ba
Ay,
yan?
we. Okay.
Ako eh. Yoko, alam mo kasali ni Stefan.
Yung gagawa na
Ulitin
ng
mo.
activities, no?
Ano ba yan? Ako pa talaga si Nisa ni Bea.
Pumunta sa bahay para ano. Kuha na. Laro tayo?
Tayo.
Ayaw daw sumagaya kasi ayaw daw siya kasali ni Stephanie.
Oh,
Hindi!
Ah.
Lagi ka na!
Nakaka-2 strike ka na.
Tatawagin ko yung jowa mo. Te, hanap ka ni Bea. Hanap ka ni Bea.
Ano?
Wala lang ako. Chocolate ako na.
Saan kayo? Kaya banda?
Oh, there.
Saan ba yung may Jane doon na ulo? Oh, there you are.
Hey, yo, dudes, can I join? Oh, you're full. Okay.
Tapos ka naka-open yung mic mo, I think, sa Roblox.
That's okay.
1, 2,
Yeah.
4.
Meron bang
So, don't...
Sa mic.
Ano? 8. 8 yung max. Tapos meron 50. Ay, tara. Tara. Sali mo pa si Bea?
Parang ayaw mo isali ah.
Yan, nandito
Bea, sumali ka na kasi pumasok ka na dito.
Wala pa pala siya.
Dapat ano, may suyo. Dapat may suyo yan.
Wait lang, may
Bea,
nagwawater ng
please.
Ano daw ba tong laro na to?
Pressure.
Nakatakot.
May nagwawater. Kung pag umalis
Ano daw?
ako, mawawala yung...
Pressure, para siyang doors.
Ano to, be? Uy, purple.
Ah, para daw siyang door sa may.
Ayun.
Pera!
Ano nga? Ikip ko to purple.
Ay, kulang pera ko.
Virgil?
200 pesos in collecting.
Look behind you. Look behind us.
Are we?
Escape jumpsuit, what?
Oh, is that Virgil?
Tara, laro pa tayo.
Look at this face.
Oh, dang.
What?
It is Virgil.
Oh, what the fuck?
Hindi daw. Tara.
Hindi daw? Hindi daw siya sama?
Ano to?
Dito na tayo.
Okay.
Alam ba yung lupat na?
Kumuha ng activity mo.
Ayaw ko pasukin. Ayun.
Lumaw.
When we guys are playing, kita pa si ano? Kita din si Jane daw.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, and every time you crouch down, she just get drags. And then every time you
Oh, I'm broke. Okay. Skip. What is this?
Access to the console is limited to authorized personnel only. Please step back.
Rain, can you talk to this? Can you interact with this?
no, I can't.
Please step back from the hatch.
I can't.
The lady sounds hot. I mean, what?
That's
Oh.
crazy.
That's crazy.
Oh, ngayon iba na.
Ito.
Huh?
I think. Ito.
Okay, bumalik tayo sa dati.
Doors. This is doors.
Oh, wait, hindi. 100 pa rin. So yung door.
Where's the key card?
Binabalik tayo kasi hirap ano eh. Hindi makagawa ng ano eh.
Wala dito.
Sabi.
Wala dito.
Pagaling ka muna. Grow garden ka lang muna.
Alam mo,
I forgot we cannot jump here.
you got key card.
No key card.
I got password.
For
Huh?
keycard. Keycard, where are you?
I think this is it. I think this is it. I'm pretty sure this is it.
Ano ba yan? Pinapunta na nga tayo dito. Naghahanap pa tayo keycard.
Nope, hindi na kailangan. Password lang. It's on.
Mama mo key card.
Wala yung isa. Wait, guys, wala yung isa. Ang layo niya.
Ito
Okay
na.
po.
Oh,
Napaikot ako.
gonna get that
Ah!
point. Oh wait, 101? Ah, hindi. Yung door.
Oo.
Never mind.
Oh,
99.
May run ba dito? Walang lumalabas sa akin. Ah, naglag!
Walang run.
Wala. Touch lang.
Oh, biglang nag-dramatic yung music. Why?
Why?
Boss battle?
Hello?
Boss?
Hello?
What?
Hello? Boss battle?
No. We're good. We're fine.
It's
Ganda
like-
na.
Oh, eh.
Ning ning.
Nothing.
Open. Victor?
May
Wala. Okay.
What is that?
Ayun, no.
Big old
Huh?
mouth.
Uy, $5.
Alright, get ready. Ready yours.
Oh.
To what?
May
Ah,
narinig.
narinig
I
ako.
hear something. Oh. I guess we stay here.
We're good to.
Oh, nag-flicker?
Dito tayo.
Hello?
Yep.
Ha?
I think so.
We're safe. Hold on. It might just be the room.
The room lang. Natakot ako.
It's purple, bro.
Password.
Oh, I'm stupid. Am I? Anong password, guys?
Did you see one?
May password na nakuha si si Steph. Where'd you get that?
Wala. Wala akong na-password. Ha?
You got password, bro?
Ako? Ako?
Okay. Ako nakita ko na.
Sure ka ako?
Oh yeah, here it is.
2, 6, 3, 8. Oh, I removed. Wait. The touchpad. Fat fingers.
Come on.
Okay.
One room.
Ito
No.
sila.
Battery.
$10 ko.
Wait lang. Wait lang sound. Sabi.
Water.
You're good. You're fine.
Mani.
Yeah. Ready sa
Ready
Ready your
sa...
mouse.
Oh my god.
Ready to flashback.
Gonna happen. Yep, there it is.
Oh, there you go.
Anong gagawin dyan?
Huwag mong
Pagka
tignan.
tumingin. Holy shit!
I'm
Holy
going
shit!
under. I'm going under.
Underwear.
You're going. Oh, yep. I'm
Underwear.
also going under.
Holy shit! Dito pala.
Wala na lang.
Hi.
Cheska! Cheska!
No! Nadapa siya! No!
Oh, nata. Wow.
Yun! Anong gagawin doon para makalabas?
Agaw ka.
Ha?
Anong makalabas? Makapasok.
Doon.
Mag-crouch ka.
Wala
Ah.
tayong ventilator. Wala din siyang
Pumasok ng
open.
vent, nakatayo.
Ano ako ganon?
Oh,
Bigyan kita.
Mopong.
one down.
Oh well. One down. Three
Walang-
to go.
Yata lahat.
Ano ba yan? Pangit naman.
Grow, pagaling ka muna. Grow guardian ka muna.
Grow Guardian.
Oh, what the heck?
Grow Guardian yung therapy.
Pwede mag-interact
Ah,
sa
may
door.
vent dito. May vent.
Nice,
Dalawang door.
yeah, I need a keycard. Or a password. Keycard or password?
Oh, keycard. Keycard.
Yay.
Wati.
One door, only one door.
Wait lang, dalawang door.
Wait.
Dalawang door.
I think I hear something there.
Wala ko narinig dito. Sa... Ewan ko ba to? This is right.
Wait.
Taki naman na yan.
I hear water over here.
Yeah, pero water lang
I
yun.
think dito.
Summer ka din.
Here?
Yeah. No,
There?
No, there. There, over there.
Here. Okay. I trust your judgment.
No, I think
Oh!
What do you mean?
Sorry. Sabi ko, I am confusing my theirs and dear.
No, there
ako.
means there!
I know.
Ano
Pero
password?
kala ko nandun ka na. I'm so sorry. That was my bad.
Okay.
That was completely my fault. Nandun ka pala. Nakita ko last second nasa likod ka tapos sabi ko door. There.
Wait,
Oh no.
wait a second. Oh no. I even gave you time to rethink. Like, I trust your judgment. Okay. Wait, hold on one second.
I know. Binigyan mo pa ako ng time tapos guess I'm wrong.
Holy shit! Balik!
Oh, or I'm dead, I guess. Ginawa niya ako ng
Go forward.
Purple?
No, red.
It was black. Oh, red.
Yeah, hold on.
Why?
Where is it? Here we go.
Where are you guys?
Oh, wait, let me
Dead.
get out.
We'll just get your batteries.
Uh,
I think that was well deserved.
Yes, where are you?
I'm just lying here.
He's with me.
It's,
I see.
so sleepy.
Eh, nasan kayong dalawa?
Over here.
Ito sa
No.
dark place. Oh, sa likod mo.
Yeah, dark
Dark
place.
area.
Diyan, oh,
Yeah,
diyan. Diretso ka
Yeah,
dyan.
over here.
I'm blind.
Yeah, just over here.
Yeah,
Blind.
there-
Oh, there you are.
Yeah, I'm just sleeping. No,
Oh, where? Saan siya? Oh!
There.
Yeah,
Um,
so sleepy.
Sticky.
If you say so.
Anyway, it's open. That's a turret.
Oh, hi. Hello, ferryman.
Since I'm low on HP, we know who's going in front.
Fine, wait. I'm too dumb for this.
That's true.
Okay.
Probably.
Okay.
Ay, ba't Roblox in-open ko? Dapat ano?
Where's the thing? In front?
Yun, nasa front.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
shit!
nagawa mo.
Ako yun?
No, that was me. Hello. Hello there.
Oh, Lex!
Hello.
Oh,
Shut up, TV.
it's me!
Is there another?
There one door?
It's always been me.
Just one door.
You should leave. You didn't have an admin check?
Ilan na yung pang
No, I
revive
already
nila?
saw that there was no other door.
Oh, okay.
Kasi lang na, ilan na yung pang revive mo?
One.
Bumili ako ng 5, so meron akong
Ah,
5.
okay.
I have 3 revives.
I don't
I have
know kung
two.
pwede
Card.
gamitin. I think isang best.
What the heck?
I have 2. Ah, ano yun?
Don't worry about it.
Nothing. Background noise. Keycard. And
Holy shit! Holy shit! Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go?
go,
I'm
You
in a
can hide
room.
in a room. Hide in rooms. There's 3 rooms. Hide one. Yeah.
Fuck you, pinatay ako. Pinatay ako!
Nasa pinakalikod ka ng room.
Ano ka, nasa room ako!
Not room enough.
Nasa corner ka. Kasi pag nakita ka niya, pwede siyang lumapit.
Sa corner nga ako! What the hell?
Where did she die?
Fine, mag-revive ako.
Okay.
Sige, ipon tuloy ako na isa pang 200. Okay na kayo? Pwede mag-revive?
Yeah.
Probably.
No.
Ah, wait. Okay.
Oh, free revive!
At also... There you go.
Okay na?
No. Yep.
Alright. Revive.
You got, pupunta ka sandali sa hell.
What?
Oh, where am I?
Oh.
Oh, who are you? Hi.
Yeah, there we go. She's in hell. Go to the red portal thing.
Oh.
Oh, red portal?
I hate this so much.
Wait,
Oh
what
my god,
happens here?
this is the ferryman? Wow.
I don't know. I just don't like it.
Oh, okay.
Saan ka na?
Oh, they do.
Oh, there you are.
They move. They
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Don't worry about it. Good.
Go around.
You're fine. Oh, there's... Oh, how can you... I'll stay behind. You go forward.
Don't touch the green.
And then when you're in there, you can look at me. And then I can go.
And then you look at me. Do not touch the green.
Yep.
Nasaan na si ano? Isa.
Wow.
Get past here.
Let's go.
Go here.
Okay.
Come. We got enough ice.
I don't not wearing glasses. I don't wear glasses. What am I saying?
If you have
Wait,
low...
this
If you... Kapag may grado ka, hindi... Ano, pupuntahan ka pa rin ba? Kasi technically hindi mo sila nakikita.
Oh, shit.
Where do we go?
There's a side. So it's fine.
I guess not there. Are there two?
There's a door here. One.
Oh, it's open.
Oh, she opened it.
Huh?
Oh, locker.
Huh? Where? Where?
Yep.
Where? Look, where?
Walang hidey hole.
Really?
That was unfair.
There was none.
It's
Pumunta tayo
just
sa next room
Yikes.
para dun sa ano.
embarrassing.
Are we all dead?
Everyone
I'm
seemed
still
to be
alive.
in a rush.
How?
Should have gotten out of its
Eh,
way.
okay.
Trees.
Dumidi ko na rin ba yung revive ko? Sana lang ko.
Oh, sige. Hindi, I think kailangan na kailangan na mag-paid revive. Saan pwede revive?
Oh!
Yung scene.
Oh!
What? Oh!
Oh, ano yun? Oh!
It was so dark even. I couldn't see anything. What happened?
So, balik tayo. Lobby.
The divine.
You got beat up, bro.
It's
love
the
it.
reference to the angel.
You got...
I was like, don't look. I looked. What? Hello there. Damn.
That's crazy.
Wala, kulang pera ko pa din sa pang-revive.
Oh no. Sayang,
Mop,
di
mop.
pwede magbigay ng revive.
Robux, wait, Robux.
Wala na yung Robux. Ginamit na kay Jane. Mushi.
Okay. Pwede i-click. Bawal.
Sasali ba yung gumagawa ng activity?
Ano po,
No.
Nan?
Kaya sasali ka pa ba? Kaya
Ano?
sasali ka pa ba? Sasali ka pa ba?
Oo.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay, pasok ka na.
Okay.
Nag-grow garden po rin. Pero mo, ang mahal-mahal ng bill. Work ka na ginagawa. Ay, i-pay ko lang.
Saan kayo?
Paano to?
Dito.
Dito na ako.
Tara,
Crazy.
Ano dito tayo?
tara.
Oh, let's go.
Hello.
Stephanie!
Okay, we're good.
Ah.
Wag niya pa English na.
Sabog. Sabong sa robot.
Oh, pera.
Sabihin sa akin kung anong gagawin ha.
Oh, okay. Wait lang, I wanna hear her voice.
Unauthorized personnel detected. Please do not interact any further with the
Yung
console.
wait, may isang gumawa niyan. Pause
Please
ulit niya
exit the
I
facility
think
in a
si
calm and orderly fashion.
Banana Boys ata. Ulit-ulit niyang pinindot yan, namatay siya.
Oh, okay. No, I'm just kidding. And we're back here again.
Di ba't ang dilim?
Oh, damn.
Over here, guys.
Don't worry.
Follow Jane though.
Follow na lang si Jane.
Wala akong makita.
Wait, kunin ko lang ang keycard.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Hindi mo.
Get the keycard.
Okay na?
Yep.
Tara. Sino wala?
Si ano? Si Rain.
Rain.
Where?
Rain, come.
Where are you?
Where'd you
Ew.
go? Hindi nagtitito.
Naiwan ba siya sa submarine?
Wait, BRB.
No, okay.
Ano? Ito siya. Ano? Gatas.
Ano to? Sa lower left na nakikita ko.
Yun yung health mo. Inaaway mo yan? Inaaway mo yan?
Oh, no, it's just...
Ano? Yoko.
You won't die here, right?
Hindi naman.
Okay.
Start pa lang naman eh.
Good.
Yan na.
Tunay.
Yan na.
Diba? Yung
Ano? Pero ba't biglang ayaw na kayo?
Baya, ito din.
Talaga.
Pwede ka ba
for the egg. Pan ko garden ko.
Hey there.
Ay!
Ouch.
Na? Uy, sasali daw si ate. Alis na, nabay tayo sa lobby.
Putang. Okay.
Okay.
Pinulak.
Sa lobby.
Exit lang.
Tapos si join ulit.
Sabi mo kay Denise, pagaling muna siya sa Grow Garden.
Hindi, pagaling ka daw muna sa Browa Garden. Bata lang yung...
Mukha ka naman bang inutil eh.
Mukha ka daw batang inutil.
Bata.
Sige, sabi ni Steph.
Pambata lang. Matanda na siya.
Kita mo na.
Tanda na pala.
Oo, siya yung nakatanda.
Kaya nga.
Ew, ang tanda.
Nagustuhan ni Bea garden.
Wala may queen.
Hello. It's little old me.
Oh my God.
Nakakalimutan ko pindutin pa nagre-revive. Eh, this is why I put it here.
Where's the weight pressure? Diba pati mga
Ano yung 29 ko,
Bata lang
Tets?
ako.
Dali na!
How many times you play?
Please.
Fruit?
Yes, that then. I think
Same thing, okay.
Wala pa pala.
so.
4 o'clock na green apple or blueberry. Gitna.
Damn,
Ayun.
I haven't played that much.
And then one yung wins.
Yes. I won once. Ako lang, kasama ko nga, ako lang natin.
Mm.
Hindi ko i-spoil sa last part. You'll get there. Are we all here?
Wasn't I watching when you were almost reached the end?
I think, yeah.
May bagong ending.
Oh, okay. Kung makakaabot.
Yun lang.
Ba't napupol?
Kaya ano, dalawa na yung ending. Gusto yung pinuha ni Left. Sabi namin.
Look that. It's gone.
Oh.
Habulin mo si Burat.
Where? Come here.
Come here.
Oh, umalis na ata siya. Oh.
Dayo. Come here.
Oh, shit.
Magagagana mo.
Ito, si Burat.
Go.
Uy, nasan kayo? Saan kayo?
Dito sa 8.
Wala, may pinunta sila.
Kinuha niyo.
Where are you? Oh my god, nandito sa likod ko. Saan kayo?
Go straight go straight and then look for the shelf.
I see Captain.
Shell.
I see Captain.
Nasaan kayo?
Dito sa
Ah.
Yun yun.
What the heck?
And then,
Ilang.
I think
for
dito,
10 minutes.
dito ako magugulat. Let's go. Doon tayo sa 8.
Ilang, ano sa'yo na ako.
Oh my god.
Sit down then.
Tara, 4 na lang.
Are you guys?
No!
Are you guys?
Can you sit there, boss?
Ako yung ilitaw, no?
Okay. You can sit there.
Pwede na ako mag-leave.
Hey,
Opo, laki mo. Ayun.
Laki ko pala. Tatlong upuan sa akop ko.
Kasya ba? Tatlo ba?
No.
Tatlo pa. Lalarga na.
Ate, bayad mo tatlo. Dami mong
Okay.
kuhan. Ate, 33 bayad mo.
Oh, wait.
Kuya, estudyante po.
33
Ito
pa rin.
talaga yung mag-ano sa atin.
Oh, nandiyan na pala siya.
39 regular.
Let's go.
Pasok na ba?
May magjo-join nata na random.
Go.
Don't you dare.
Iya mo siya.
No.
I think we can do us. If ever na gusto lang talaga natin tayo lang. Naman tayo gumawa ng ano, ng private lobby.
Yeah, libre naman.
You remember the back in the day when there was no private lobby? Get me out of here! Ano, live tayo?
Ayun na.
Okay lang, iya mo siya.
Bilib na ako.
Okay lang yan?
May
Para sila
ano eh,
mamat-
baka...
Para sila mamatay. Sila yung sacrifice.
Ano ba talaga?
Ala, kasya pa!
Kaya ba?
Larga na! Larga na!
Yeah. Okay.
Nagkasya tayo. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, di ako mataba eh.
Next is
Oo, kailangan lang isa na sa loob mo.
Meron.
Oh my God, wala akong makita.
First
So,
person.
I'm inside someone. I start.
Grab
Oh,
point of
you're not gonna crab anymore, you just have crabs.
Oh no!
Warning. You are not authorized to use this console. Continued intrusion will deem you a liability. Please step back.
Liability.
Oh, you can lie on me.
Do not continue to host use this
God
console.
damn it.
Being deemed a liability. Administering right.
Ay!
Magagano na yan! Hindi na matay! Bobo mo naman.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Sino yung nag-ano? Siya ba?
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe a random. Okay, one random down.
Okay.
Oh, may pet siya! Wait, di ako makaalis. Oh, there we go.
Found the password.
Oh, ang cute! Ang cute na! May pet siya!
Grabe tong point of view na ito
Ang cute na.
Nakakatato. Ayoko na.
Just. Oh, it's just there. Okay. Who's getting left behind? Di
Not
ba, ang
me.
bilis nila?
Yeah,
Pa ng random.
real.
They're leaving everyone.
Private lobby after.
Yeah.
Up on na. Hello, nagdalag Bea, bakit?
How to not get stuck in a broom closet? Right.
Crazy.
Yeah, you need a PPT for that.
Yeah. It's been a recent interest that a lot of you have been reported to become stuck inside the janitor's locker room.
Wala malalaman.
Fine.
Get in.
Yikes! You hate to see it.
Ako ng locker ni Ray.
Nawala.
Ilan
You should have expected it.
Allowance namin at
You would have expected it.
May namatay. May namatay sa ko.
Damo.
Oh, nag-glitch siya.
Oh, naging ghost!
Pwede lumabas?
Sino na?
Yung random.
Yeah, you can see it.
Kaya may ghost feature pala.
Paano?
Bayad, Robux.
Saan na kayo? Oh my god, I can't see. Okay.
Oh.
To do.
Looks scary. Oh.
Holy shit. I get this.
Hmm.
Nothing.
Hindi ako yun.
That's weird.
tawag doon na
Inagawan ako ng random.
Oh,
wait.
Akala ko si Captain yun.
Ay, si Captain nga yun. Ano ba yan?
Very good.
Pala.
Oh, what the fuck?
What the hell?
That's just the ghost. Don't worry about it. Yeah.
Saan na kayo? Oh my god.
Diretso ka lang. Nasaan ka?
Oh, eh.
Nawawala si Captain.
This is scared.
Nasaan ka?
Yes. Red room.
What? Okay.
Red lights.
Umalis ka dyan.
Green light.
O baba yung number natin. Nasaan ka? Bruh.
Oh.
Palayo
Bruh.
siya. Dito.
Ni
Oh my
guys.
God.
Bird of dead old.
Oh, kita ko na.
You're getting left behind. Ang layo na nila.
Hello.
We're at 91.
Siya.
Is she there? Alright.
93.
Face to the door. Kahit nakasarado yun. There we go.
Yung may pet yung namatay. Ito yung ghost. Oh, come on.
It's mine.
What?
It's the ghost! It's the ghost!
I think nananakot siya.
Yeah, probably. Don't do anything until there's
We're going underwater.
the lights can flicker underwater.
Yes,
Most of the time. No. When we're in tunnels.
Ino-open ng ghost yung door.
Stop it.
Hindi kaya, hindi niya ma-open oh. There we go.
Ayun.
Shit.
Sayonara.
Yung sa tabi ko, sa tabi ko.
Nope, dito ako sa ano.
Ang ina ng ghost. Ayun na.
Pwede lumabas?
Pag
Pwede malalaman kung...
dumaan na sa'yo.
What is this?
Oh.
Are you lying to me?
Straight?
Off
Oo. Balik ko ako yung...
Yikes. Hate to see it.
Off daw. Oh my god.
That's a bad.
Right, isa pa. Go. Isa pa. Do stupid again. Come on. Yan. Diretso.
Oh, gago.
Mama!
Guys want this?
Ano yan?
What's that?
Oh, thank you.
Click it. Then click it again.
Ito.
Interact with it. One. Then click it.
Nauna na yung random. Flickering.
Hindi kayo.
Oo. Very remote.
Yeah, click it. Click the remote.
Oh yeah, click the remote. Yeah, I think we're good. Let's go.
Beep, beep, beep. Beep, boop, beep, boop, beep. Wawayo?
Waway. Ay, my little butterfly.
Dilim, oh my god.
Keycard found. I think
Battery found.
we need to go hide or not.
Why?
Kasi yan yung sound sa Mimic. Alam mo yung Mimic na game?
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yung kumakanta na
So
bumalik.
scared.
Oh, flicker. I think this is real.
You think?
Yes.
Yup, it's real.
Oh, yikes.
Or not. Yeah, it's real.
It's real.
It's blue. Or black.
Ano yung
Blue,
sabi ng
come
blue?
back.
No, black.
Oh, fuck.
Turn off the light.
I see.
Oh my
Alright.
god.
Forgot about it.
What is that?
Oh, something's
Glow.
glowing. It's the ghost.
Ano yan? Pupuntahan ba natin? Or...
I am going to somewhere.
Yeah, you're so far away.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh. Like,
And they turned off the light.
oh, is this it?
Hmm?
We're getting close to the secret rooms.
Oh, we're gonna learn.
Ano kayo?
This is fake. Please be fake.
Ay,
Tunnel.
Baliktad.
I think Captain is behind again.
Legit?
Oops.
Okay, not there.
Seriously, meet Mr. Loop, yung kulay green.
What?
I think I met some.
Mr. Loaf? Who are you talking to?
Rina?
Yun na.
Yeah. Oh, dalawang door. Hanap
Mm.
naman.
I'm eating something. It's over here. It's over here. I
Oh.
opened it. It's
Oh.
open already.
Okay.
Where it is.
Oh, hello.
Tinatakot ka.
Ren, you want this?
What? Sure. You want me to flash the angler?
Flashes! Flashes! Yes.
Oh.
Sure. Oh, nice. I don't need a key card, but let's go loot.
Holy fuck. Oh, saan ako
Kinda
tago?
I think that's fake.
Probably.
Oh,
Joke lang.
Either the
Huh?
first one or the second one this week.
No, it's really.
oh, hindi fake.
What's up, guys?
Like, nagtatago yung ghost. I think it's alive.
Oh,
Resist!
Oh, resist! Resist!
Oh, you can shoot him! Oh! Okay. I didn't know that.
You can shoot
Nawala
what?
si ate,
With the
wait lang.
gun?
Wala si ate, wait lang.
Ah, when you resist. What do you do to resist? Spam E?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
And look at him, I think
Ay, saan kayo? I can see.
you're gonna die.
Oh, dito
Sa
na
ilaw.
kayo.
Here, the crab lives in the darkness.
I need help.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How many doors? Just one.
Hello.
And everything's open.
Oh my god, this is scary.
There
Yeah. So we can find where the things are.
still can't find it though. Where is it? That's not.
Motherfucker.
Found it.
Oh, nice. Okay, just one. That's fake, isn't it?
Probably.
No. No, it's not. No,
No,
it's not.
no.
Okay, black. It's color black. Rain.
Oh, no.
I'm good, I'm good.
Rain.
No.
You revive ka?
Rain.
I'll revive later when you guys are progressing. Let me fix my keyboard.
Oh my god, I hate you.
Ano yan?
Huwag ka tumingin.
Oh no.
Galit na galit na
Natatingin ako.
Galit na galit siya.
Pelet.
What a shame.
Oh, no.
Siya tapos. Rain, guess what I did? Ah, hinahabol. What the heck? Bumalik ako sa room, bumalik din siya.
Siyempre.
Please, I'm sorry.
Ang ginawa mo, Les?
I'm dying. Oh my god, ang lakas. I'm dead.
Yikes.
Ay, nako.
I'm glad to see that Urban Shade is only sending their best and brightest.
Battery break.
Hindi ko napansin.
What happened?
Just don't look at the big eye.
Don't worry about it.
Guys,
I know it's kind of forcing you to, but still.
Uulit na ba?
tara, leave na, tara.
Wait, patay na kayo?
I the station.
Oo.
Oh, okay.
So, yung, random na lang buhay.
Sayang yung yung revive. Give me one.
Give you one?
Yeah, one.
One what?
1 minute.
Okay.
Diba, hindi pa rin enough pera ko.
Makayo? Ay, ay.
Si Brianna.
Gawa tayo ng private lobby.
Yan na.
Luck out there.
Sino gagawa?
Excuse me. Crab coming through. Ah. Godzilla.
Ako, kaya na lang.
Aww.
Ilang sign ko.
Aww. Okay.
Free lang ba?
Yung.
Private server.
Yes.
Ah, meron na kay Les, oh.
I don't remember that.
So, join na lang kay Les.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Beep. Oo nga pala, no? Okay. Private pala.
Saan kayo?
Tayo ay, hindi ata. Dito
Join ka kay
banda.
Les.
Wait lang.
Or sa akin.
Ikali mo nga parang hindi ko ano. Di nag-out movie pati.
Laro na tayo, Bea. Ay, laro.
Ang ingay ng anak mo, Cheska.
Laro kami
Ano sa akin? Kay Bea yun.
Akin ni Bea.
Si Bea pala yun. Ba't parang
Ano
ulit ang
na-
boses ni Bea? Mukhang
Ay,
bata
anak ni
ulit.
Bea.
Ah, anak ni Bea. Kaya mo pala ako iniiwasan, Bea. May anak ka na pala.
Oo, akin maganda pa rin eh.
Ikaw din naman eh.
Wala
anak
ah.
ka rin.
Narenta ko lang yun.
Yan si Brianna.
Sa likod ng hagdan.
Wala ah.
Sa kwarto pala.
Hindi.
Rain, were you in my lap?
Is this your lap?
Yeah.
Yo.
I can't feel it.
Yan.
Oh, I'll make you feel something. For sure.
I only feel hard shell. So cold.
Hard?
Tingnan mo.
Station.
Yaya number 1 tsaka number 2.
Hmm?
Yaya.
Hmm.
Tawag dito,
Ay, gumalaw ni ano.
Wait.
Move it. Move it, soldier. Height, height, height.
Everyone's here. What are we waiting for? Let's go. You guys are getting freaky. Get out of here. Freaky. Freaky. Where's the big ass crab?
Hindi. Other than coffee.
Sabi mo, mag-order na kami. Wala pa. Nandiyan na number na.
Aray.
Buy one free.
Buy one free.
Buy one free.
Hello, lady.
Continue to talk so interaction with this console will... Sorry.
Masarap nga.
I think she bit her tongue. Oh, can I wanna do it again. I'm gonna die proud.
It would seem as if you do not have the cognitive function required to do your tasks. Stand by for execution.
Sino yung pinatay?
Akala ko ano eh.
Kasi in-interact na namin yun 2 beses eh. So you're the last she's dead. Yeah, she's going back. Oh, okay.
Oh my god. Paano maging ghost?
She can't.
Lamaw.
I think we need to redo. Right. Rejoin. Wala si
Rejoin.
Joke lang.
Oh,
Nandito na ako,
what?
na-revive ako. What?
Oh, okay.
What? Oh, don't leave me.
Oh no, never mind.
She floated in the air and then, oh, there she is.
Paano?
Where is she?
Is
Let's go back.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, what?
I'm alive.
Whoa.
What happened?
He was flying 1 second, then
Oh. Wait.
in the air he was stuck. Flicker.
There's something big over here.
That's what she said.
La, na to, na to.
Oh no.
Get taken by the wind.
Bruh.
What are you doing?
Lahat na.
Nakaka-revive mo lang ah.
malas na pupunta sa akin.
Hindi bobo ka lang.
Stop hugging the tentacle, master.
Parang di naman pinag-active. Naka-main.
Okay.
This game.
What? Asan kayo?
Pakulay ako. Pakulay
Doon sa baba.
Oh, I don't.
That's fine, don't worry about it.
They don't move, but I hit it.
Well, don't worry.
The worst part, they don't move. They would-
Flicker, find one. Flicker, find one. Find one.
Yep. No.
No! No!
Oh, wala kayo. What the heck?
Oh, no.
Yikes. Hate to see it.
Abot yun eh.
Palagi na lang.
Seems like you're gonna
Tawal ako palagi.
Kayo.
with the fishes.
May namatay kayo. Ako lang mag-isa. Oh my god.
That's crazy.
It's crazy.
You'll get the hang of that one eventually.
Sino to?
Eat pan.
Sino to?
Oh.
Damn.
Attention to lights and you'll be fine.
Good mo.
What did you say?
Profit.
Oh, may nawawala.
Sino?
Me.
Ten.
What is the ice cream?
Yep.
Oh, pwede mo shot.
Oh my god, what do we do here?
Oh, follow the lights.
Oh, thank God I'm not there.
More sweet. Less ice. May additional yung crumbs.
Wow, strawberry crumbs.
Okay.
Just keep swimming.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming,
Oh,
swimming.
it's gonna flicker. I see what you mean now.
Oh yeah, you can predict, yeah.
Espresso na lang kaya.
Don't drown. It's coming.
Trying.
It's gone.
Wait,
Blue.
magkano yung 5?
Yeah.
Blue back. Blue go back.
No, they don't.
Oh, that's, I have flashing.
Cool.
What?
Oh, he's dead.
Yep.
Bawal na mag-revive.
And again.
I think
Iba na lang pala.
tagal niya nagtago.
Ah.
I'm not ready.
Okay.
For you guys to die.
Yep.
Kill yourself.
Speedrun.
Just kidding.
Pag-iwan ko na lang ng pera. Okay, card.
Don't worry, I'll kill Steph.
Peter kill. Okay, yung
Yeah, na ako.
Steph, flash everything.
Pani-close yung phone.
Okay.
Ano, yung folder sa left side.
Yes. Pani-close.
Dalawa na lang kayo.
Pindutin mo ulit yung
Sabi, paano ko i-close ng folder para makita ko?
Pindutin mo folder sa left side. Pindutin mo ulit. And on the...
Yikes, that's one down.
Third.
One down. I think that's safe.
Flash died.
Oh my god!
Sa gitna.
Dalawa na sila.
Don't listen to the voices in your head, Ray.
Oh, my bad.
Hey, there we go. Balik. You need a card? No, you don't.
No. No need.
Oh, isa pang bullet.
Delivery fee?
Where you going?
Magkano? Oh,
Where are you going?
Just back.
Yeah, this back. Go upstairs.
Got it.
walang free shipping.
Think over this.
Free shipping.
Oh, Captain, ano palang ginawa kanina ng ano? Ng remote?
May tumawag lang sa akin. Nag-good luck.
Oh. Oh. Yours. Is that a flicker?
No.
Unless it's safe? Oh, okay.
Anak ko ba sa'yo pa uwi? Huwag na.
Lakad na lang.
Eh, kumain ko pa. Oo.
Another one.
Tayo kain ng kalaman sa bakwan. Oo, kumakain ako mga.
Halo mo dyan.
Many doors.
Oh, yan
I
ako.
get it. I get it.
Food reader.
Oh,
Ano?
nice.
Balik na yun.
We're fine.
Background noise.
Everything's fine.
Where's there a down?
Oo.
Mga baby. Sabi ko ba? Alam ko.
Ha?
Eh, baby pa siya. Yung pusa.
Oo, nasa pinto nga siya. Ay, hindi.
Oh! Okay.
Same door.
Pagka-open ko, yan yung ano.
What do we need here?
Nothing. It's just a new thing. Keep going.
Okay.
Nuli yung logout mo, ano?
Hindi.
Other
Ikaw.
life.
Oo.
Why do you feel like there's...
Just a new area.
Uh-huh.
Basta isa.
What's that?
Sorry.
I feel like I'm in the back rooms.
No.
Worried you're going out of
Feels like you're in the shinning.
The what?
Shiny.
Ba't ba sila?
Shitting.
My bad.
Oh no, my shin!
Ay, typo.
Ikaw ka ba?
Ano?
Typo.
Typo.
Sabi na.
The heck question?
Edi wag.
Di wag.
Hindi, wag.
Ano daw?
Hindi, wag.
Uy.
Ay, nasa Shopee ka. Ano naman pa yun?
Ay, ayun.
There's the flicker. That's real.
Ito, may clocker dito.
Oh,
I'm
Rain.
good!
I don't think that's good, Rain. Next locker.
Oh.
Locker.
Next locker.
Okay, hindi siya babalik. That was close.
Really? Is this good? We're good.
Yes. I don't know what the next door.
OJT na kayo, Ray, ng second year?
Yep.
Ano? Akala ko third year pa kayo.
Dalawang OJT ka lang namin.
Hey,
Uy,
Tim.
ano boy?
Isang for electronics, isang for communication.
Oh. You talk to the people. That's-
No, electronic communication. Systems. Radios.
Yeah, I know.
Devices.
Hindi ko siya tamaan si Moy.
Can you talk to the radio?
I know, what PowerPoint is this one?
Average daily.
Average daily extract from Trench Bleeder class. Trench Bleeder, walkers. What? Okay.
Per 1,000.
Cool. Many rooms.
Those are just
So many useless rooms.
rooms.
Random rooms.
Hindi yan next, area. Oh, there it is.
Oh,
Is that grabbable
nice
yan?
6. No, it's...
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Most installed plugins. What?
Hindi ako lang
Hey,
ako.
green. Flash him. Wag, joke lang.
Nope. Do we need to get a, like, thing?
No, you just need to get to the next room.
Okay.
Next door. Wala siya.
Ano sa may gulot?
No flicker. Probably. Like this atmosphere.
Don't pineapple this.
You don't like the red?
No. Too red.
I don't know, it hides the blood.
Now that's... Yep, I think I'm safe in here. So I'll just stay here.
Nasaan siya?
I have no idea. Is that a skull?
Where?
The shelf.
Yes.
I'm looking at the shelf on the right.
And... Rain got...
Yikes.
What was
I
that?
got yoinked.
Ang bilis. Nasaan na to? Baka na. Your comrade has fallen. Yep.
Don't cover that.
Oh, sorry. He's in a better place.
Her morale will be lower when she doesn't have any with her.
You have yourself.
And that's even worse. Ragdoll behind you.
Sa kayo ah.
Something behind you, running.
No, don't tell her that. That's funny. Shiver me.
Yeah, it's still running.
Oh, nice.
Galing ko.
Is this where you resisted? Oh, flicker. Oh, what happened?
Pinapansin sa
Saan GC?
natin. Natin ba?
Ako din? Bakit?
Balik yun.
Nino?
Yan.
Bakit?
Good.
Kapal mo.
I didn't see the color.
Inuhubos na.
You need a keycard.
Please,
Yung sabihin nyo pagtapos
lang.
na.
Kulit. Kulit mga kalaban. LS siguro.
No. Uni. Doon tayo sa game, bay. Oh,
Click mark.
Ano binabayaran na Netflix?
ay.
Wow, kapal mo ka ako magbabayad.
Si Daddy.
Parang wala tayong magulang.
Bitong nun ah.
Wala, suntukan sila.
Sabi din Daddy, bayaran mo na daw.
Bruh.
Alam mo yung mas malutong? Kupal ka?
Tapos,
Kupal ka ba, boss?
oh, yan pala, tama.
Lu.
Behind
Oh.
you. Bang, bang,
Yup.
bang, bang. Oh, what?
Cloud armor.
What is that? Ano yun?
Probably hasn't loaded on her yet.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. Ano yun? Oh, I thought the revolver.
The revolver.
Revolver. Revolver.
Revolver. Revolver.
You need a purple keycard. So quiet.
Library pa rin ba sa price?
Saturday.
It was a shelf.
Go.
Ooh.
There's nothing there. Go.
Sus.
Okay.
So I can see.
Bakit mo din?
Naka. Sorry.
Di ko mo gawin ko.
66. Nice. How many money do you have now? Does she know she's muted?
No.
Uy, 8 is no, wait. 8 nga daw! Kulit naman na ito!
8 nga.
You disarmed the...
Yes, kanya.
Wow, akala nakita mo na tapos di mo inano. Di mo pinansin. Okay.
No.
Visit.
I think she just wanna. I think she just wanna die. Oh. Already? Damn.
You're right.
Low mo.
Return to lobby.
We can play again.
Oh, everyone's here?
No. One left.
Guess we're returning to
But we can't return to lobby though because we need to go. So not co-op. Pero tinatamad na ako. Sige, kaya na.
Bot frag ka kung ano-ano sinasabi mo.
Oh.
Okay.